Phone sizes keep getting bigger. It wasn't long ago that phone sizes were 5 to 5.5 inches, like we saw with the Nexus 5, the iPhone Plus models, the OnePlus 5, and others. This year, we saw phone sizes push well over 6 inches, like with the 6-inch OnePlus 5T and the 6.3-inch OnePlus 6. And then the Note 9 came along at 6.4 inches, with bezel-less phones like the Vivo Nex pushing the 6.6 inches and beyond. And don't forget about the iPhone XS Max, which has a 6.5-inch display. But in a lot of cases, these screen size increases were done with the introduction of notches and small bezels, so that we got bigger screens in relatively small footprints. One of the largest phones to come around this year is the Honor Note 10, which has a gigantic 6.95-inch screen. That's almost as big as some 7-inch tablets out there, but it's able to maintain a handheld form factor because it's got a taller aspect ratio display plus really small bezels. The Honor Note 10 is probably never going to be available in the US, but you can grab one on eBay for less than $500. With a big screen, you get a huge battery, and the Honor Note 10 has a 5,000 mAh battery, which is significantly larger than the battery on the Note 9, which is 4,000 mAh, and also that's the same capacity as the Huawei Mate 10 Pro, which many consider to have a huge battery. And that means even with heavy use, I was able to get to the end of the day with more than 50% left in the phone. This is a true 2-day phone or more. The included Huawei supercharger can get the Note 10 from 0 to 100% in less than 1 hour, so it charges really fast. Another advantage of such a big screen is that you can increase information density while still being able to see screen content. The iPhone XS Max, despite its larger screen, has terrible information density. Everything is just blown up. But on the Note 10, you can jump into developer options, bump the smallest width setting up to 500, and enjoy seeing much more content on your screen without things looking too small. And then there are the speakers. Because the Honor Note 10 is so large, the speakers are quite large, and you get 2 of them on either side of the phone. Here, listen for yourself.
The renders of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro emerge and confirm what we're expecting, and Huawei is pretty confident that their Kirin 980 will beat the 7nm chip of the A12 Bionic. I'm Raymond Rivera, and it's Monday. Not complaining.
The speakers are loud. Having such a big phone means that viewing photos and other multimedia is very immersive, especially without a notch getting in the way, finally. Not only that, but split-screen multitasking is fantastic. The downside to this phone is that if you have small hands, you're going to have trouble using this device. Reaching the notification shade is very difficult unless you use 2 hands. Not only that, but this phone is glass on glass, and so it's super slippery without a case. In pocket, the Note 10 feels big, but not significantly bigger than a Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This phone would be perfect for stylus input and taking notes, but unfortunately, it doesn't support stylus input, unlike the Huawei MediaPad line. To sum things up, the Honor Note 10 is a stunning large screen phone if you're looking for a big device. It does a really good job taking advantage of that screen real estate with fantastic split screen multitasking and the ability to bump up the screen density so you can see so much more on your display at one time. It's a great phone for people that want a big screen, but for people that have small hands, you might want to look elsewhere and consider other options. Give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw, and be sure to follow us on social and subscribe to our channel. You can find me on social on Twitter @BrandonMiniman. Thanks for watching. That's it for now.